Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2016 Nissan Rogue SL all-wheel drive, stock number E1927P. 23,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, midnight Jade in color. You to receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera as well as front camera. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SL has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Sport mode as well as all-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather. Start. Large, easy to read gauges. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It is navigation capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And there's of course where the backup camera display is with 3D surround view as well as front camera, dual zone automatic temperature control, USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices, automatic transmission, and heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Rogue has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 25 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Rogue, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.